Your decision to pursue a degree in design was a great first step to a fantastic career. That study sets you up to become a great architect, a great interior designer, a great landscape architect, a great technician, a great practitioner, a great manager. It sets you up to be an employee. But when it comes to running your own design firm, your design degree sets you up for failure. Now that you're a business owner, thinking that relying on your qualifications, on photos of your past projects, on your license, on your university degree to do the marketing for you, thinking that all of those will guarantee business success is actually one of the most dangerous things you can think as a firm owner, especially if you want to run a truly profitable firm. Now, I can understand why you'd think that, considering a degree is essentially a prerequisite to get a job, and a degree and a job are prerequisites to become licensed. The next logical step would be to think that all three of those would help you build a successful design firm. But let me ask you, does every architect or landscape architect who goes out on their own find business success? Does every firm led by a licensed and degreed professional last for the span of a career? No, of course not. We've all seen firms come and go. Owners decide it's just too hard to drum up consistent clients, too hard to chase down payments month after month, too hard to find their ideal clients. And so they make the decision to go back to a job, back to work for someone else because it's just easier. They can rely on their training, on the skills that you've developed throughout your career, the skills and training that made you a great employee. So if you hold on to the belief that you can simply lean on your professional experience, you can lean on your license, you can lean on your degree, or in many cases, multiple degrees, as the benchmark of why a potential client should choose you over the next guy, you could be facing irrelevancy in your market and the decline of your business. What's helped you to become a great technician, practitioner, even manager or director is simply not going to serve you now that you're owning and running your own design firm. Now, you can sit there and say, well, the design comes first, but we all know that the underpaid architect isn't in business for very long. So if you're someone who's serious about building their business, about growing their design firm to create an impact in their industry and on the physical world, then you already know that you need to invest in yourself above and beyond all of your technical trainings. You know that you need to look to mentorship and coaching and podcasts and workshops to learn the current ways of how to market and run a design firm. You know that you need to look to other business owners who have succeeded before you and look to those that are building profitable design firms right alongside you. So I invite you to click on the link around this video to join From Architecture to Profitecture, a group of fellow like-minded professionals building businesses as designers, as thought leaders, and as entrepreneurs for 2020 and beyond.